What is permanent area in Siemens HMI? And obviously the comfort panel. There's an option, it means permanent area, and you can adjust it on properties. The height, for example, a 12 pixel, okay? Or let's put it on 100. And I put a text here. You can use all of these features that we have on permanent area. It means this area is permanent and it shows on all of your screen. But if you want to use this feature, you must go with at the beginning of the project, because it changes all of your pictures, all of your screens. Look at here. It's a kind of mess now, you know, messy. If I go to runtime, okay, as you can see, it's not really interesting. And if you don't want to use it, you just come here and put it on 0. That's it, guys. This is how you can use permanent area. See you soon.